If you're looking for an idea for a fun outdoor adventure that you can do either solo or with some friends, then may I suggest a kayaking, bow hunting, camping, fishing adventure. This is going to be a 3-part video series, and the whole point is to hopefully give you some ideas for doing something similar yourself, as it's a fantastic way to spend quality time in the great outdoors doing a variety of activities. In this first part, I'll simply share the highlights of such an adventure to hopefully get you inspired. In part 2, I'll go over the details of planning such a trip, and in part 3, I'll cover outdoor gear as well as some camping and hunting hacks and tips to help make your adventure a safe and successful time. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.